Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Snooping Minds. So guys, this is going to be our first video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to crack open a Windows 7 password. Okay, and without using anything, it just needs some things such as you must have administrator rights to perform this trick. Okay, and if first of all you need to have to be logged inside the account which you want to crack. Okay, and the last thing is, which is most important thing, we just need cmd for this trick. Okay, so this is how we are going to do it. Okay, first of all let me show you my account. I will go to control panel, user accounts, and here it's my account. Okay, so my account's name is Vishwajit, it's administrator and it's password protected. Currently my password is 123456. Okay, my current password is 123456. Okay, so it's password protected and it's administrator. Currently I know the password, but in case I forgot, I can change it through cmd. Okay, just go to start menu, type cmd and click on run as administrator. Okay, so the cmd is going to be open. Here it is. Okay, now we just have to type some very simple commands. Okay, so let me show you the commands. That will be net user. Now the name of the account which I am going to crack. Okay, so currently the name of my account is Vishwajit, so I will type it as it is. Okay, it's case sensitive, Vishwajit. And now the password of my choice which I'm going to change it. Currently it's 123456, but now I'll change to 456789. Okay, then press enter and it will show this line, the command completed successfully. Okay, then exit from there. Now we are going to check it. So I have changed my password to 456789. Okay, now we are going to check it by removing the password. So I will again go to control panel, click on remove your password. Then I will type my old password, which was 123456. I am using on screen keyboard 456. I will click on remove password and it will say the password you typed is incorrect. So as we can see, the trick worked. Now we have to type our new password which we changed. Okay, which was 456789. It was the old password, so I removed it and now I'll type 456789 and click on remove password. It will immediately remove your password. And so this is the way the trick works. It's a very simple trick. It's just a very simple trick to crack the password, and we just have to be logged in inside it. Just there's just one problem, which is we have to be logged in inside the account. Okay, so we did this with the help of cmd. It's a very good tool and a very important thing, guys. This video is just for education purpose. We don't promote or support any criminal activities or cybercrime activities. Okay, so it's very important thing which we should know, that we should do this for our educational purpose only, and we should not do this knowledge, not apply this knowledge to exploit anybody. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to support. In my next videos I will show you more tricks and more things in which you will not need to be logged in inside the PC. Without login you will be able to change or crack the password. So thank you for watching.